Okay, guys, so I hope you guys are doing fine. So, as you can see today, I I've started the challenge, trading challenge today, as I've told you. So, today is the starting of the daily challenge. So, now here we have a cross above, the moving average cross above. Just bear with me. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing very soon. But if you watched my last video, I tested on gold and on a step index, and I told you guys that we will start our challenge both on gold and on we'll start our challenge on gold and step index. Now the reason why I picked those two market is because the profit is very good for sniper entry. Are you getting it now? So that's the reason why I'm picking the two. So I'm using 0.01 now here. Okay, now you see what I'm doing now. Here we have a confirmation. Here the yellow line has crossed above the BB, and our MACD, the blue line, has crossed above both the green line and the red line. So I'm using this MACD also, but I'll tell you when I'm using that MACD. So let me hide that MACD for now. Okay, so I'm hiding the MACD for now. So the only thing we are using is the um the gold, the gold. So we will not see. I started with $5. I've for today now. I've profit it. I've gotten my $2 plus going to $3. Can you see? So it's going. That is going up. So let me put my TP here. Just that because there's a reaction there. So I'm putting my TP there. This is gold. Understand? So we are not okay. This is $1. So oh, let's take that $1 profit, $1.17. That is okay. So now today I started with $5. Let me show you the deposit. The deposit. Um, can you see today? Deposit today is $5. As you can see, you see deposit $5. Can you see? That is today. Deposit $5, and the profit I make for today is $3.21. So today, so what will happen is we we don't want to overtrade. Are you getting it now? We don't want to overtrade. We have gotten our profit for today. So I traded. Let's see the history of today. See, let's go to today. Today, can you see today? 14/08 2025. So what did we trade today? This is what I traded today. Uh, today, let's see positions. Okay, okay, deals, orders. Okay, let's see positions. So I traded. Uh, let's see. I first of all traded the step index, the step this. Understand? So then I recover the profit back because when I first created it, I lose 60 cents, 60 cents twice, but I recover the profit back. So I traded volatility 100 to recover the profit back, and that made me to recover the profit back because this step index you are seeing, I traded it on desktop, not on mobile, so I miscalculated because the indicator I'm using there is not. There are so many noise on the 1 minute. So that's the reason why I shifted to 5 minutes. So I now come back to gold, as you can see. So I recover the money. So now for today, we have recovered. We have recovered. Now I'm going to show you the what we now look at what is happening now. So this is a good time to sell another one for 5 minutes because the 5 minutes we are on the downtrend and gold is about to change turn downward, but you know, we're in the downtrend, and the 5 minutes also is trying to come down again. Are you getting it now? So on the 5 minutes, the market is trying to what, to come down. See, so and it's a good time to what, to sell here, because look at what is happening here. I think it's a good time. Let me sell. Let me sell. What I'm doing is very risky, but the reason I'm selling is this. Now look at this. We can take charge of that opportunity. Understand? The market cross down here, consolidate around here, go up, then come down. The same thing, consolidate here, go up, consolidate here, then it will come down. Are you getting now? That is what the market is going to do. That is what the market is going to do. So the market is going up now. So it is the time to sell above there again. Oh, we cannot sell again. So can you see that's the reason why gold, you can't sell anyhow in gold, because our margin has been um it. Now, this is what I'm saying. Understand? You have to have enough to cover. If it is like I have 5,000, $1,000, I will have enter more here, because this market will surely come down. I get now, but this is an opportunity for me to enter more sales. I get it now in order to flip my account. But because I don't have much, I just have to let the market play, do what it wants to do. Understand? So, and that is that. That is that. That is that. So what I'm going to do is this. Oh, it's too, we're too late. You know what I want to do is to buy. Understand? To buy. So oh, it's okay. Let's just leave the market. Let the market do its own thing. So you see what is happening. So now, what we are doing here is this. Let me show you what I'm doing. No, we're still in the market. Don't worry, I'm not losing. But this retracement that is going now is an opportunity for us to what, to buy on 1 minute and take charge of this opportunity to what, to earn some profits. Are you getting it now? So, but notwithstanding is okay, because we are looking at um 5 minutes, and we are following the 5 minutes, what the 5 minutes is saying. Are you getting now? We are following 5 minutes, what the 5 minutes is saying. We are following 5 minutes and seeing what the 5 minutes is saying. Understand? So, and that is that. That is that. That is that. So let's see. Let's see. So now the challenges we are doing is this. We are trying to um follow the challenge of growing our capital, follow a daily um, stake, a daily target. Now, just a minute. Sorry guys, there is something that was happening with my kids, so that was all. So also today you can see, um let's take what should I do? What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Let's see. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. Okay. Let's go to 5 minutes. So I enter where I supposed not to enter. I enter where I supposed not to enter, and the repercussion. So the repercussion. So the repercussion is this: the retracement happens, and I risk the retracement like this. See, it happens. I know it will come down. It will come down, but market is unpredictable. Understand? So the retracement happen like this, and it's coming down. So what we'll do is hoping that this will break. If this should break below here, better. So we will have to put the profit uh put the profit take profit here, but I want to put my TP here. To put my TP here, I get it now. I want to put my TP there. So we have risk enough. We have risk enough. So this is it about trading gold or step index. So when you are trading, just take it one after the other. We have recovered our money, but we've already at 8.49 dollar before, but now I've lost some, but it's still okay because I've recovered some of the losses, and it's really consolidating around here. We don't know what the market wants to do, but whatever the market is doing, so the idea is this market will come down because we're on the downtrend. So the market will come down. The only painful thing about this is all this opportunity, this time that the market is going up here, all this time that the market is going up here, sorry, all this time that the market is going up here, on getting to this place, it's time for me to sell, that I can take it. And also it's a time for me to what? To buy here, but I couldn't buy because I went to 5 minutes and enter here on 5 minutes. So forgetting that it will retrace before coming down. Are you getting it now? But that's just part of the game. So you have to. It's not only about strategy. Now, what I'm trying to explain now to you guys is not only about strategy. It's about to play smart. Just follow the crossover. Are you getting it now? And sometimes use your 5 minutes to know 5 minutes, 15 minutes to know what is happening in the market. Are you getting it now? So I'm hoping that this price will break down below the moving average to this moving average 50. But if the price didn't break below it, are you getting it now? If the price didn't break below it, so I will exit the market. I will exit the market. So I'm not expecting the candle to close this above. If this candle, this is 5 minutes now, if this candle close above this moving average, the yellow moving average and the BB moving average, then I'll close it. That means that the price won't go up, but the bearish are pushing the price down. So and see open. Okay, I think this is a good sign. So I put a line here, a trend line. Let's go to 5 minutes. I put a trend line there. So once this break below it is a good sign that this market, there's a hope for the sellers. So there's a hope for the sellers. So this is it. So I'm going to, in our next video, I'm going to uh show you what I am working on. But based on our last calculation, if you start with $10, getting it now. So we are looking at 0.1%. 0.1%. That is at least $1 every day. $1 every day. Sorry, $1. Are you getting it now? Per trade. Then we'll do that 5 times. Are you getting it now? 5 times. So we've already gotten our almost $3 plus. So remaining $2 to go for today. So we are expecting this. So if we can get this profit from here to where we have our TP, we are done for today. We are done for today. Then we will start the next day. We'll start the next day. So this is a good sign. The price gold is trying to break below 50 moving average, and it's a good sign. Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute has broken below that line. Has broken below that line is a good sign. This is a good sign. So this is a good sign. So we'll leave the market is a good sign that the price will come down. This is a good sign. So and one thing you should know is this. Look at this. This is, you see, is a market structure here. Let's see, this like this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then we have a lower high here. So this one is now a lower low. So it breaks below it. There's a break of structure here. There's a break of structure here. And anytime we have a break of structure like this, look at it. So anytime we have a break of structure like this, hold on, just let me pick my drawing. Now, anytime we have a break of structure like this, a market, after breaking it, it retest it, go back up and come down below the same break of structure line, then this is coming down. You understand? I want you to know that. Know that. Understand? It's coming down. So at least it's going to close, come down below this level. It will. Are you getting that? It will. So that's what you should know about market structure. It will, because this is a break and retest. That's retested this, and it has tested it, and it has come down. So it has broken below the previous um uh the brick the higher low, okay, which is our now lower low. Understand? So it has broken below it, but what is happening now, I don't like it at all, because it's trying to go back up. It's trying to go back up. Understand? It's trying to go back up, and that is good for you. It's trying to go back up. It's trying to go back up. So it's like there's a seller here, there's a buyer here. Look at that big candle. So let's see. Let's see. I'm now on 5 minutes. So what I'm avoiding is, I don't want this candle to close below that yellow line and a BB. If it closes above it, then that is not good. That is not good at all. That is not good at all. So I don't think it will close above it, because okay, let's see. Let's see. The histogram is trying to form below and it go back up again, and which is not a good sign at all. It is not a good sign. Hope the price comes down. Okay, the price is coming down. Price is coming down. Okay, so all these movements, I getting that the movements is an upward movement. I get in a zigzag is an opportunity for you to want to flip the market. I get in a, but we are not after the flipping. But most of the time, you can take charge of the opportunity to flip, so that we can understand. But on gold, with this little amount, we can't flip. Understand? We can't. So you see, the price is trying to. Oh, we have a cross above now, and this is not good at all. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Okay, I've exited to 13 cents. I've exited, so we've taken back our capital. So we don't want to trade anymore, because the yellow line has crossed above, the mark D also has crossed above. So there is a buying power now. Even if the market, it may be a fake cross, but at least it will move up a little bit, and we don't want to do that. So we are now, with broken even, back to our $8.35 plus. So now here, we the profit we make today, now we deposited $5, we make $3.35. So I will trade this and make sure that we get at least $5 for today. So that means that we instead of starting with $10 capital, and as I've said, that if we start with $10 capital, so we start with $10 capital, we are getting at least 0.1% of our capital per trade. Understand? Per trade, 0.1% of our capital per trade. So per trade, 0.1% of our capital per trade. So that is 5%. That is 0.5%. So per day. Let's see, times 0.5%. So we are getting 0.5% of our capital per day, and that is what we are making. That is what we are making, 0.5% per day. So we started with $5. So when we say 0.5% of $5, is 2.5, and we've gotten $3 plus, and we are what we've completed today. So but tomorrow I will, if there's any opportunity, well, that's me. But if you are following me, just stick to the plan. But today, if I see more opportunity today, I will take it. I get it now. So, and I'll be careful not to lose at least the 2.5 today's capital. Understand? So that is just it. So, but for you now, if you're starting with $5, you're starting with $10, $20, $50, $100, 1,000, 10,000. You see, so the uh, target of today, just multiply it, is 0.5% of your capital is what we are getting today. And what will be the lot size that you'll be using to be 0.1% of your capital. That is 0.1% of your capital. That is what you will be using. Are you getting that? That is what you will be using. So if you are trading gold, 0.1%, are you getting that? That so that means you'll be using 0.1% of $5 to trade to get $5. So because you have $5 capital, you can't trade 0.5%. It's more, I mean, it's not enough. So you can use 0.1% and start growing it. You understand? So if you have $10, let's say you have $100, the 0.1% of $100 is one lot size. So you use one lot size. Are you getting it now? You use one lot size, and your target will be will be 0. Fire, yeah, I think that should be it. So, but don't worry, I'm going to do the calculation in the Excel, so that in my next video, I'm going to create an Excel. I'm going to do the calculation. But what I just quickly do today is to deposit and to start the challenge. So watch the next video, subscribe to this channel. In my next video, I'm going to, and I believe I don't need to show you the settings anymore. If you don't know the setup I'm using, understand? Can you see what I'm saying now? As I said, I quickly take my profit out because there is already a cross over. Can you see the market is retracing upward? Understand? So that's the reason why don't struggle with the market. Don't fight market. Just follow the crossing confirmations. Are you getting it now? So, and run when you need to run. Stay when you need to stay. Understand? That is the beauty of trading. Don't struggle with the market. So in my next video, I'm going to create the Excel sheet that will show the calculation, and I'm going to share the Excel sheet with you guys. Understand? So me, I've started with $5. So I will do the calculation for you guys, where you can start with what? With $5. Understand? With $5. So I will show the lot size you will be using on the gold and on step index. Are you getting? I'll do the calculation on the Excel, and I'll share with you guys. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. That's the only thing you can do for me. Understand? And like this video. As you can see, I'm using my live account. Understand? We've started a challenge today, and we'll keep growing. This is day one. Thank you very much. Remain blessed. And if you have any other things you want to tell me, just let me know. If you want all these indicators that I share with you, chat with me. Please don't waste my time. There are some people they chat with me, they are asking questions, and they are not I mean placing order. Don't waste my time. I get it. If I've answered you, I get it now for at least an hour, and you are not making a move, don't even bother to even send me message again. I'm a busy person. I don't have time. I've recorded the video for you guys. If you are ready to get the indicator, get the indicator. Understand? And stop asking questions. Stop saying I beg, please. No, I don't have time for that. Understand? This setup I gave to you, it is something that some people will be charging you money for. You may not value it, but a step by step scalping and make building your profit, it will go a long way. You will be amazed when I do the Excel sheet. You will be amazed how you can build $100 to $10,000 within 5 months. You say, oh, 5 months is too much, and that is just it. That is how to play safe. Are you getting now? So thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment. So watch out for the episode 2 of this challenge. Thank you very much. Bye.